All right, pre-ride bike check. Start at the front, work your way towards the back. Grab your front brake, give your handlebars a 90-degree turn. Put your thumb and forefinger around the headset and give it a gentle shake. Just check to make sure it's not loose. Check the bottom. If that's loose, you need to tighten it. All right, we're good. Give both your brake levers a squeeze. Make sure they feel good. They're not going all the way to the bars. Feels good. All right, now we're gonna lift up the front wheel. Give that a spin. Make sure the rotors aren't rubbing and it's spinning straight. Looks good. All right, tire pressure. Squeeze your sidewalls. Don't want them to be too soft. Don't want them to be rock hard either. Use your thumb. Squeeze the top of the tire. Feels good. You can tell usually if it's going to be okay if it feels like pushing an orange with your thumb. All right. Let's go ahead and check our spokes, especially if you're about to go downhilling. Yep, feels good. Make sure that your quick release is tight. It is. All right, moving backwards now. Let's go ahead and, let's check the front suspension first. There we go. Feels good. Rear suspension. Yep, feels good. Dropper post. Make sure that's working. Nothing like not having that go down when you're about to go over something steep, huh? It's good. Move towards the back. Let's go ahead and check our rear wheel. No brake rub, spinning straight. Tire pressure on the sidewalls and on the top. Feels just like an orange. Go ahead and check. I have a bolt-on through axle here, so I'll just check it. Feels good. My spokes. Get these few I missed. All right, everything passed the test. Ready to go ride. It's easy. You can do that in under a minute after you've done it a few times. Worth it.